Now we are outside the Visby here in the medieval week.
It's a lot of history here.
Yeah.
Every summer, the historic town of Visby on the Swedish island of Gotland is transformed into a medieval world during medieval week. The festival began in 1984 and has grown into Sweden's largest historical festival, attracting tens of thousands of visitors each year. For 8 days, Visby's narrow street, ancient ruins and impressive medieval city wall comes alive with knights, musicians, craftsmen, performers and people dressed in medieval clothing. The atmosphere makes it feel like stepping back in time. The festival offers hundreds of activities, including medieval markets, jousting, tournaments, theater, music, historical walks, workshops, and traditional games. I visited Medieval Week when I was little, and I don't remember much, but I wanted to come here again and visit it now that I've grown up, and finally being able to stand here and walk around and experience this amazing environment is just magical. Visby was one of Sweden's most important and prosperous cities during the medieval ages, and became a key member of the powerful Hanseatic League. Although the city is first mentioned in the written sources in the early 13th century, the area has much older roots, with traces of human settlement dating back to around 2000 BC. During the Viking Age, a small community developed around its now Almedalen Park. Its harbor became an important trading hub connecting Russia with Western Europe.
Are you having fun?
Yeah, a lot of good sauces they have here. Little Dick's own sauces.
The happy family.
Ignore the food.
That's wonderful.
Thank
the
you.
staff.
Bring out the trash! Vagnen bakom. Brännbart, plåt, matavfall. Dumma människor.
Dumma människor.
Bring out your trash!
Han kallar precis sig själv dum. Han sa dumma människor.
Apparently, even taking out the trash had to be done medieval style. But behind all the costume markets and jokes, there was something much more serious happening. A battle.
Och som ni ser så skjuter vi också ballistiskt här.
Silesia was put in the stocks for failing to greet a nobleman. And after me and Neo rescued her, the three of us were imprisoned and humiliated.
Bad boys and girls.
And apparently you didn't have to be a knight to get involved. Knights were members of the medieval nobility, who mainly fought on horseback from the 11th century onward. They served kings and powerful lords, often providing horse, weapon and soldiers for war. Becoming a knight requires years of training in riding, combat and weapon handling. Early knights mainly wore chainmail, while later armor was made from strong steel plates covering much of the body. They fought with sword, lances, maces and warhammers, and often carried shields for protection. Knights also competed in tournaments and jousting. Today they remain one of the most recognizable symbols of the medieval ages, representing a world of castles, battles and medieval traditions.
And what do you have here?
So I have a little bit of different lotions and potions for all of your needs during the week. There's salva with chili and with birch. And some extra love and joy.
Ooh. Everything we need this week.
The highlight of the day was just about to begin. Before the competition could begin, someone had to get the audience ready. That was the jester's job. Then the horses arrived, and our team was set to face our arch rivals. Sopa!
Lyfter vi bort. Ett poäng på Baggargatan. Ett poäng. Han träffar den första, missar den andra och den tredje står kvar.
Fuskare! Fuskare!
Där kommer han. Är ni med? Är ni med på landet då? mellan nallen och kammaren. Stadens lag består av där är målet. Bågskyttarna drar tiderna, sätter dem på strängen och spänner upp. Hästmannen, han har redan fått ner bocken. Just nu så är det lika, just nu är det lika. Reder och lador. Anselmo, så är han bommar. Springer fram. Oj. Redare kommer på plats, strängen för titta. Backen lite grann där. Landet har hittat fart på pinnen nu. Nu ska det bli med staden och bommar. Hej hit, det flyger pilar överallt. Oj, här igen. Precis lika. Nu kommer det upp. Här kommer det blockstämmande i slutet kan jag ta. Här gäller att hålla stressen. Det är precis lika. Nu leder staden. Nej, det här går nu. Han får dock inte missa det sista man gör. Och där är Västerbotten. Han har redan spelat och bågskyttar. Nej, hoppar. Nu är det med Janus. Han är nästan tur. Han tar den!
The sun disappeared and with it the atmosphere changed. Sadly, we did not win this. He lost the joust and completely lost his mind. And then, just like that, the day was over. After everything we'd seen, the battle, the horses, the fire and the cheering crowds, it felt strange walking through Visby again in the quiet. But I think what made this day special wasn't just what we got to see. It was getting to experience it all together. For one day we weren't just watching the Middle Ages, we were a part of it. And I know we'll remember this day for a long time. Hello, and thank you for watching our video.
And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to support us in our next adventures.
Bye!
Bye.